Hello students of Standard 6. Welcome to DAV Moil Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshram. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will start with the new unit of My English Reader, Hobbies, in which we will study today bedroom skating. Dear students, we all have different hobbies. People follow different hobbies depending upon their aptitude and means. Use the clues given below and solve the crossword puzzle related to hobbies. You can work in pairs, but now you have to do this work individually. Just read what are the sentences given and according to that solve the crossword puzzle. Here are the remaining clues of the crossword puzzle. Dear students, read the words given below. Now match these words given with the hobbies they are related to. Add two more things that you associate with the hobby. The words are album, spade, bookmark, hook, needle, brush, reel, anklet, compact disc, suitcase. First one is done as example: photography, reel, camera, photo frame. In the same way, you have to read the words and you have to write the things associated with the hobby. Let us read the poem Bedroom Skating and let's see what the poet Gareth Owen wants to convey from the poem. Bedroom skating. The poet's sister likes skating, though there is no ice rink near her house, but she managed to follow her passion in her bedroom. Let's see how. Because there is no ice rink within 50 miles of our house, my sister perfects her dance routine in the Olympic Stadium of my bedroom. The poet says that there is no ice rink within 50 miles of their house, but his sister does her perfect dance routine and she makes his bedroom daily an Olympic stadium. Wearing a soft expression and two big yellow dusters on her feet, she explodes out of cupboards to an avalanche of music and whirls about the polished line in a blur of double XLs and triple silk shawls. She has very soft expression on her face and she wears big yellow dusters on her feet and starts dancing on loud music. It seems as if it is an avalanche of music. She does different kinds of jumps and moves of skating like excel, salchows. For her freestyle doubles, she hurls this pillow called towel from here to breakfast time while spinning like a hippo round and round my bed. Just imagine, till breakfast time she continue her spinning like a hippo round and round on poet's bed. She hurls the pillow and she calls it Torville. Imagine waking up that each morning, small wonder my hand shake and I am off my cornflakes. Last Thursday, she even made me stand up on my bed. She does this work daily. Just imagine, daily I am waking up in this way only. Because of this, one day my hand shake and the cornflowers fell down what I was eating. Last Thursday, she even made me stand on the bed and hold up cards marked 6 while she gave victory salutes in the directions of the Garbil's cage. And she holds up card having 6 written on it and starts giving victory salutes. Where? In the direction of Rodent's cage. To be honest, despite her endless dedication and her hours of practice, I don't think she has the hope of lifting the world title. But who cares? To be very frank, I want to tell you that despite her endless practice and dedication, I don't think that she can win any day. But who cares? She may not get the gold, but I will bet there isn't another skater alive with wall-to-wall mirror on her bedroom floor. But the poet bets that there isn't any skater alive who can do wall-to-wall mirror and on her bedroom floor what she does daily. So here we end the poem The Bedroom Skating by Gareth Owen. Dear students, now take the correct options to complete the sentences. After that, there is one more question for you. The poem brings out certain qualities of the girl. Pick out adjectives from box given below to match the qualities which the lines in the poem suggest. Now let's see 8.5 life skill. The narrator's sister liked skating. There was no ice rink near her house, but she managed to follow her passion in her bedroom. One often faces many problems while moving towards one's goal. One has to be a good problem solver to be successful. Are you a good problem solver? Here are problems of 3 children. Given them tips to overcome their problems. Problem number 1 is, I love to paint, but I don't get time to pursue my hobby. What is the solution for that? You can give her any idea. Next, I love reading books, but there is no public library near my house. Here is one more problem. I want to learn how to swim, but I am scared of water. You can give her any solution. Read these verbs as they appear in the poem. Select the right verb and fill its correct form in the blanks given below. You have to fill these blanks with all the words given. 8.7. One of your friends has won the first prize in an inter-school event. Present a praise speech highlighting his or her talent and qualities. Jot down a few points before making the presentation. A word of praise can be written like this. She is my friend, for example, Tina. She has won the first prize in an inter-school event. She is very hardworking. She worked day and night to get this prize. Like this, you can add some more points. Here we end our today's session. We will continue this unit in our next session. Thank you and have a nice day.